What is threat modeling, and why should you be doing it in the first place? Threat modeling is, at its most basic form, asking yourself 4 questions. What are we building? What could go wrong? What are we going to do about that? And did we do a good enough job? You absolutely should be doing this if you're at all concerned about the security quality of the product that you're building. Traditionally, this is done either by the security team or in concert with them, and it's either based on a very detailed design, which may not look anything like the finished product, or of the product itself, and results in bolt-on security before going into production, neither of which works well with Agile delivery. So, how can you do this in an Agile way? It's simple. You make product security a part of feature design and the acceptance criteria for the stories planned for this upcoming cycle or sprint, which means you have the development teams building the products build security in. We advocate the use of OWASP cornucopia or elevation of privilege to gamify this process, and have developed a freely usable digital version of the game that allows your teams to play either remotely. You can find this at copy.securedelivery.io. We offer instructor-led sessions to help your delivery teams get comfortable with using cornucopia and Copy, and we also do a train the trainer option if you'd like to scale this approach within your delivery teams yourself.